Hello! Right, we've got another review for you, and this one is Hunchback, as you can see, and it is for the ZX Spectrum, made by Ocean, back in '83. Now, I really haven't played this since the very early '80s. I've just found out the controls, but I'll probably be rubbish. But I'll try my best for yous. Let's give it a try. Press any key. And what? It's only left and right and jump. It's got to get the bell. Nice and easy start. Here we go. This is when it gets difficult. That edge there. This is really. Oh god, he's going to get it on this one. Oh. Okay. So Hunchback. Come on, get your act together. Oh. Oh, I was on the road, wasn't I? Gee. Oh, was that it? We'll try that again. What a lovely tune. This is nice and easy. Probably too easy compared to the next screen. Right, just let's get on the road, please. Oh, trying to tell me I wasn't on the rope there. Right, I'm going to see how far it goes. You've got to really pinpoint accuracy here. Where does it go? Okay. Oh. Okay. Be quick, Paul. Be quick. This time. Right. We're not done yet. Got to get past the second screen at least. Got to. Okay, I'm going to try going for a straightaway here. No point in hanging around. Oh, this time. Yes. Oh. Yes. Get in. Really? I love that tune. I really do. Yes. Alright. Go watch the spears. Oof. Yeah. Second screen was the worst. Okay. Alright, you got a bit more difficult here. Oof. Yes. What's on this one, eh? Well, yeah. Give us a chance. Right. Straight across. Oh, I should have known just to jump straight up. Okay. Got my name in. Not bad, not bad. I'm going to have one more turn, everybody. See if I can get any further. Enter. One more turn. Please do better. Come on. Okay, this is a pain in the bum, this one. Oh, I should have went there, This time. Well, that was way too early. Way too early. Oh. Ah, get in. That's quite easy, that one. Hunchback's doing okay. See at the bottom there, that's how many screens got to get. Okay. Yay. Right, was this the one that was a pain? But I did jump. Okay. Be ready, be ready. Okay, I'll do it this time. A little bit faster, Stu, a little bit faster. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, that was Hunchback on the ZX Spectrum. I haven't played that since about 84 or something. God's sake, 85. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I quite enjoyed playing it again after all these years. Okay. Well, that's me done. Please like and subscribe. And hopefully see you again at some other point. And yeah, there's plenty more to come. Plenty more to come. From the Retro Shed. See you later, everyone. Goodbye.